Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important, how to improve your English speaking skills, even if you don't have a partner. Yes, it is possible. You can practice speaking all by yourself. And if you do it the right way, you can become fluent faster than you think. So, let's begin. The first thing you need to understand is this: speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. You don't learn to speak by only reading grammar books or only watching videos. You learn to speak by speaking. And the good news is, you don't need anyone else to start. You can practice by yourself every single day. One of the easiest methods is called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking English, maybe a podcast, a YouTube video, or even me right now, and then you repeat immediately after them. Copy their words, copy their tone, copy their rhythm. First, do it slowly, then a little faster. This trains both your ears and your mouth at the same time. If you practice shadowing for just 10 minutes every day, your fluency will improve a lot. Another powerful method is self-talk. This means you talk to yourself in English during your daily routine. For example, when you wake up, say, "I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready for class. I am making breakfast." Later, describe your feelings. "I feel tired today. I feel excited about my exam." You can also imagine situations like talking to a shopkeeper or giving directions to someone, and then practice out loud. It may feel strange at first, but believe me, this builds confidence very quickly. Next is recording yourself. Take your phone, choose a simple topic. Maybe your favorite food, your hometown, or your last holiday, and record yourself speaking for 2 or 3 minutes. Then, listen to your recording. At first, you may not like how you sound, and that's okay. This will help you notice your mistakes, your pronunciation, and where you need to improve. Over time, you will clearly hear your progress, and that progress will motivate you to keep going. Another method is reading aloud. Take a short story, an article, or even your English textbook, and read it slowly, but out loud. Don't just read silently. Speak the words. This improves your pronunciation, and it helps you get comfortable forming English sentences. Finally, think in English. This is very important. Many learners translate everything from their native language into English in their heads, and that slows them down. Instead, start small. When you see an apple, don't think of the word in your language first. Just think, apple. When you feel hungry, say in your mind, "I am hungry." Step by step, your brain will start to process directly in English, and you will speak more naturally. First, it may feel difficult. Your words may come slowly. You may make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes are not a problem. They are proof that you are learning. The more you practice, the faster your brain and your mouth will work together. Imagine this: if you speak even 10 minutes a day, just 10 minutes, that is more than 5 hours in 1 month. In 6 months, that becomes 30 hours of speaking practice. Do you see how powerful that is? Small daily practice creates big results. So here is my advice. Choose one of these methods today. Maybe shadowing, maybe self-talk, maybe recording yourself. Start with the one that feels easiest for you. Practice it today, and tomorrow, and the day after. Slowly, it will become a habit, and you will notice yourself speaking more confidently. Always remember, fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about being comfortable. It's about expressing your ideas without fear. And you can achieve that if you keep practicing every single day. So, my friends, don't wait. Don't say, "I'll practice when I have a partner." Your partner is already with you, It's you. You are your best practice partner. Start today, start now, and very soon, English will feel natural to you. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and step by step, you will become fluent in English.